Welcome back to Channel V8X, where luxury meets power and future cars come to life. If you love premium SUVs, bold design, and next-level performance, make sure you subscribe to Channel V8X, because today we're taking a cinematic deep dive into the stunning 2026 BMW X8 in pure white. The 2026 BMW X8 is not just an SUV, it's a statement. Finished in a clean, elegant white color, this flagship coupe SUV blends aggressive performance with high-end luxury, designed for those who want presence on the road and comfort inside the cabin. Let's start with the front view. The front of the BMW X8 looks bold and commanding. That massive kidney grille, paired with sharp LED headlights, gives the car an unmistakable identity. The sculpted hood lines and wide stance instantly tell you this SUV means business. From the front, the X8 looks powerful, premium, and futuristic. Now move to the side view. The side profile is pure art. The coupe-style roofline flows smoothly into the rear, creating a sporty yet elegant silhouette. Large alloy wheels, muscular fenders, and sharp character lines make the 2026 BMW X8 look dynamic even when standing still. This angle perfectly balances luxury and aggression. From the back view, the X8 continues to impress. Slim LED tail lights, a wide rear stance, and a sporty diffuser give it a bold road presence. The rear design feels modern, clean, and unmistakably BMW. At night, those tail lights make the X8 instantly recognizable. Step inside, and the dashboard view takes luxury to the next level. Premium leather, ambient lighting, and a fully digital curved display wrap around the driver. Everything feels driver-focused, modern, and high-tech. This is a cabin designed for long drives, high speeds, and maximum comfort. Under the hood, the engine view showcases BMW's performance DNA. Whether it's a high-output turbocharged or hybrid powertrain, the 2026 BMW X8 promises strong acceleration, smooth power delivery, and refined performance. Exactly what you expect from BMW's top-tier SUV. From above, the drone view highlights the X8's bold proportions. The white paint shines beautifully under natural light, emphasizing the SUV's wide body and premium design. From the air, the X8 looks every bit like a luxury flagship. On the road, the highway shot is where the X8 truly comes alive. Smooth cruising, confident lane presence, and effortless speed make this SUV perfect for American highways. It feels planted, powerful, and incredibly refined. And finally, the night shot. With glowing LED headlights, reflections on the road, and a dark city backdrop, the 2026 BMW X8 looks absolutely cinematic at night, a true luxury beast after dark. Now let's talk price. The expected starting price of the 2026 BMW X8 is around $90,000 to $100,000, depending on the variant and features. For a flagship luxury SUV of this class, that price delivers premium design, advanced technology, and serious performance. Ending channel call. So that's the stunning 2026 BMW X8 in white. Luxury, power, and presence in one bold package. If you enjoyed this cinematic breakdown, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Channel V8X. This is Channel V8X, and we'll see you in the next one.